how to delete Instagram account history. So if you want to delete the account history of your Instagram, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the home page of Instagram, from where you will be able to explore the various feeds over here. So as the first step, you need to tap over your profile at the right button corner, and you have to tap over the three bar horizontal line in the right upper corner. Here you will be able to see the various options, but you have to go for your activity. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll be able to see the account history option. Just tap over there, and all of the history of your Instagram accounts will be available. If you change your bio, or if you change your email address, and all of the things from the beginning of your account creation to up to the now or the present time, all the history will be available in this section. You can also see your account history from newest to oldest, all dates, and many more. So that's the thing. But here are no any option for deleting the history of your account, because it includes all of the information from your account creation till now. So there may not be need to delete your account history, and also it's impossible. Someone may say that you will be able to delete your Instagram history, but for that you need to delete your Instagram account. That's only the way. So I hope this video was helpful. If you still have got some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.